Welcome to ECI's PowerPoint presentation. Our task was to design and organise a health centre for the people in and out the village. Why do we need the centre? To get them to have fun. We have fun activities like the swimming pool and the gym in our health centre. To keep people fit. Keeping people fit is nice for them to be able to do all the fun activities and not just the centre, but everywhere else too. To keep people entertained. We keep your minds entertained all day long with our activities.
Designing the building. What is there going to be in it? In the centre there will be loads of fun stuff like swimming in the pool, playing in the child centre, mastering a yoga pose, sitting back to relax and stay healthy. Fitting it all in. Fitting it all in took some time and planning. We first had to create the shapes of the rooms and put them in places to make a health centre. Making sure it's eco-friendly. We had to do some research and find eco-friendly things to put in our health centre. We then chose the things we wanted and put them in the health centre. Room plans. Room ideas. We looked at some rooms that were in our health centre and thought about what they would look like if they were real. Room designs. We all drew 2 rooms as we thought they would be in a real health centre.
We made this picture because it shows all the different colours for the 4 seasons, and it's a relaxing picture for our centre. We sent out a survey for what you think would be the best ways of doing things for the centre, like having bike stands and not having childcare. Our leaflets include how our health centre is healthy, eco-friendly, and what's inside the centre itself. The health centre has a swimming pool, gym, childcare, cafe, kitchen, relax room, opticians to check your eyes, boy and girl change rooms and toilets, doctors to check your health, and 2 main rooms. The centre has a good healthy balance, a nice view in the cafe, loads of fun machines in the gym, and a nice big pool for you and your kids.
To build our health centre, we're going to knock down old buildings to use the materials to create our building. We are also using light bulbs that goes out if there is no movement for 5 minutes in every room.
Our cafe has lots of healthy food. Our menu has 4 main categories, which are snacks, meals, drinks, and side orders. Snacks: spicy wraps, healthy salad dips because it has lots of fluffy bread and it's good for your body. Yogurts and fruit kebabs. Meals: soup, chicken, salad, pizza, and pasta, which has carbohydrates to give you energy. Drinks: water, orange juice, apple juice, green tea, and small coffee and milk for strong teeth and bones. Side orders: peas, beans, and salad. The health centre. Our health centre is called Super Fit, and our slogan is "Our help for your health."
Thanks for listening.